Hungry? Don't know what to do for lunch? Today we're making a chimichurri steak sandwich that's gonna be ready in about 12 minutes. Let's get started. So we're gonna pat our steak dry, just so that you don't have like excess water or the juices. We're gonna add our marinade, so it's gonna be some olive oil. This is oregano, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and red wine vinegar. Making that little swish in the bag. We're going to add the steak right into this bag. If you don't want to use a bag or you don't have a gallon bag on hand, you can, you can totally use a bowl and just marinate it in that bowl. With the bag, make sure you put something underneath it just in case there's any leaks that maybe you didn't see. So, massage it like it's had a hard day at work. And while I was doing that, I preheated ahead of time, so make things faster, multitasking. There you go, and this will be refrigerated, and we'll come back. Just kidding, movie magic! Movie magic! We have an extra one. I need tongs. We have tongs. So now that's preheated, you're gonna take this steak. I'm gonna grab a towel, just so we have something on here. Grab the steak, and straight into the air fryer. Wow. And it goes. You're gonna broil at 450 for 11 minutes, and then you'll flip halfway through. So while that's cooking, we're gonna do the chimichurri sauce. In here, I have some finely chopped cilantro, finely chopped parsley, finely minced shallots, some red wine vinegar, add it to the oil so it's easier to whisk, some garlic, oregano, chili flakes, salt. I'm gonna give this a quick little mix, and then add it onto here. Give that a good mix, and then set it aside. And then now we just wait to flip our steak. So I'll see you guys. Now that we're halfway through, let's take it out, give it a nice little flip, and then back in. So we're gonna take the steak out, that nice juicy steak, and we're gonna let it rest. The reason we want to let it rest so that the fibers get relaxed and the juice stays inside so it doesn't bleed out everywhere when you cut it. So we're gonna let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and assemble it. So we're going to cut the steak now. You want to cut it out so it's a little like the same kind of width as like this ciabatta, or maybe a little smaller. But you do want to cut against the grain just so that it creates a more tender piece of steak. Look at that, medium rare. If you prefer your meat to be a lot more done, feel free to add like 2 to 3 more minutes every kind of doneness. So like medium would be another 2 minutes, and maybe medium well would be another 2 minutes. You just keep adding on. So we're gonna assemble. We're going to take this ciabatta. We'll do the bottom first. So some mayo. Alright, we're gonna assemble by placing some steaks. You can add the rest, you can save it for a snack. I'm gonna stack it. Add some arugula. I like the spicy bite it gives. I do like pickled onions. It gives it a nice little tang, a little crunch. You can buy it store-bought, you can make it yourself. Then here's your chimichurri sauce. You will have a lot left over, but it's great to have in the fridge for about a week. You can put on eggs, you can make steak and eggs with this. Then you take the top, give it a nice little press down. Smoosh. It's a hearty sandwich. And there it is. Look at that beautiful, I'll show this camera. You got a beautiful, beautiful steak sandwich. Should we take a bite? I think I'll take a bite. If you want to entertain with this, you can put toothpicks in the middle, slice it into smaller pieces so people can have something to, you know, nibble on while you're cooking. So let's take a bite. The stance. That's one good sandwich. And that's how you make a chimichurri sandwich with that nice juicy meat and that crusty bread that soaks up all the chimichurri sauce and pickled onions. It's delicious. Let us know what you like to see next. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll chimichurri away and finish this later. See you guys next time. Bye.